Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
Explain tomorrow. My last question to you, then another question. What would you say to your friends, family members, brothers, and sisters?
They have to win so that we can go far, and I'm sure that I'm going to give them my support and each and every activity that is going to support them.
Now, Kono Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Omone Kano Pillars from Nigeria. First leg, no, Omu Remo Sani Abacha Sports Stadium. Omu Timiko Testy defeat 3-2. So far, Omu Bohom Namu Watchnano. Diana, who have from, and I said Diana, who expect from.
Well, I think Kotoko should take a cue from what Ashanti-Gold did this afternoon. Kill the game very early and make the opponent to chase after the game. But anytime be a team beko away, even with my own team, away. Now say within the first 30 minutes, you don't consider. What happens is that it gives you a lot of confidence going forward. Say, look, we are capable of winning or picking a point over here. Until Kotoko, I expect them as early as the first 10 minutes for them to score early, and then let them chase the game. By so doing, be up for more goals. Until I don't expect any other thing different. But the truth of the matter is that Team Otimisha trade here, what it means is that Obetime Ashgold, even at your home grounds. So as early as possible, try and take the game to them and score. Score as many as 2-3 goals and kill the game.
Okay, Mr. Eric, proud to the season, Kotoko signings be and Sena Usi signings. The bet me any impact view Champions League or mobile.
Well, I think so. Mutimi maintaining or team now or the ball Confederations Cup now. We will not be talking about this here. But once again, football is business. Obeba no better player no person because the other clubs can pay much better than we are. I'm sure you know how much Kwame Conte is getting in Esperance. Kotoko can't match those figures, and that is the reality. Offense in the bar, there is nothing you can do than to let the players go, recruit some, and you move on from there. I think that they've got equally very good and capable players to replace those who have departed. The only thing is that they need time to gel, but this is also a competition. You will not get that time anyhow. I'm sure say more 2-3 matches going forward. The team will gel and they can only get better.
Thank you very much.